Internet of Things, nanotechnology, digital education, and e-commerce development, the modern world stands on the threshold of large-scale changes in the daily lives of people and the economy of entire regions. Even as we speak, the experts call these transformations as the fourth industrial revolution, inscribing them in consistent history of previous technological explosions. In a special program, Digital Kazakhstan, we tell about how they affect the internal processes in the Republic and the development of Kazakhstani science and technology. In today's release, let's talk about how digital models allow to see and feel what is not in reality. Let's talk about how to learn safety methods in virtual world format. What kind of virtual future is expected for humanity? Just imagine there are no longer any cosmic distances, any all-world beauties are available, you just need to press the button. Without leaving home, you can get into the era of dinosaurs, fly a spaceship in meteor shower conditions, visit an uninhabited island, or conduct a complex operation without risk of losing a patient. Moreover, this is only a small part of the opportunities that virtual reality technology offer people. In general, virtual reality technology is a new technology not only in Kazakhstan, but generally in the world. Technology is primarily concerned with visualization. It allows visualizing various objects without real excursion to these objects or real creation of these objects. For the first time, they began to talk about virtual reality technology in the 1960s. In the 1980s, systems appeared in which the user could manipulate three-dimensional objects on the screen, thanks to their response to hand movements. Today, this technology is widely used in a variety of spheres of life: engineering and design, mining, sports, marketing and advertising, entertainment and training. Moreover, the annual turnover of software market design with the help of virtual modeling is estimated at more than $10 billion.
Около 90% информации по окружающему мире мы получаем посредством зрения.
About 90% of information about the world around us is obtained through sight. It is much easier to perceive information provided in visual images form for people even with a poor imagination or lack of three-dimensional intellection. Thus, augmented reality is a promising technology that is actively developing. Innovative gadgets and applications are being introduced. AR and VR sphere of application of the technology itself is developing rapidly.
Самой технологии развивается стремительно быстро.
Virtual reality technology is often used to train employees working with different equipment. In this regard, they develop a kind of simulator which completely repeats the situation and the device of any working space. For example, in this welding shop, you need to consistently perform work tasks. A misfire can lead to disaster, of course, a virtual one. In this case, a simulated emergency like a fire explosion excellently reflects the consequences of production errors. This kind of quest allows refining the skills of safe work performance, and in view of a problem already in real life, the employee does not lose head and take the necessary measures to troubleshoot.
По факту мы воссоздаем реальные условия производства.
In fact, we recreate the real conditions of production. If we talk about a welder, it will be a welding post. All working conditions are recreated. That is, some rags, some dusters may be scattered. There may be no fire extinguisher. There may be not ventilation, and the person should perform all work from beginning to end. That is, some task is given to the person to weld something, and the person must weld it all safely. That is, to remove the rags, put the fire extinguisher, turn on the ventilation, etc. Well, of course, in its order. It is a multimedia technology center at one of the universities of Kazakhstan. Here they molded the most realistic map of the oil refinery. With the help of this simulator, you can virtually learn how to manage some production processes, understand the device of the equipment, and eliminate accidents. According to developers, such simulator is suitable for students' training of the university as well as for employees of the enterprise. You can create maps of plants, you can make objects on these plants. If the question is about the plants, fully functional, and you can pass the same trainings, perform tasks, and score points. This can generally be submitted while playing so that employees would be more interested in taking trainings more effectively to catch on the material. Damir Sayfulin was one of the first in Kazakhstan who began to develop programs based on virtual reality technologies. Today, together with the development team, he also creates training programs based on virtual reality for the industrial sector in its exploitation and processing of oil and gas, minerals, and other production industries. When asked why he chose these areas, he simply answers they need virtual simulators most of all, because any mistake caused by an inexperienced employee can lead to serious and sometimes even irreparable consequences. This technology is very in demand there. There is a very expensive equipment there, and a person's mistake can cost millions of dollars and, of course, human lives. The effectiveness of training by means of jumping into virtual reality is also found out by statistics. If previously employees were familiarized with security technology through video clips or brochures, then the information processing did not exceed 30%. But the task's performance in virtual world allows remembering the sequence of work processes by almost 90%. The same effect is provided by special training classes and laboratories, but the costs for their arrangement are much higher than computer development.
Стоимость обучения в таком формате снижается в 10-20 раз. То есть вот есть примеры, когда...
The cost of training in this format is reduced by 10 to 20 times. There are examples when they built almost all training analogies for very expensive equipment because it is so complex, dangerous, and costs much money that you need to build a whole complex in order to teach how to work with it. If it is a virtual complex just in an empty space, then it will be incommensurably cheaper. In addition, of course, the service is minimal. You can break anything in virtual space and it will be repaired immediately after that. Accordingly, the savings here are very large.
Оно будет чиниться моментально, да, после этого. То есть, соответственно, здесь экономия очень большая.
Today, specialists create the newest educational programs for school children, combining the virtual environment with the real world. A 3D picture in 4D format allows modeling the structure of a plant cell or human anatomy most accurately. Experts explain that thanks to the introduction of such innovations, it will be possible to further interest school children as well as preserve the budget of educational institutions.
С помощью специальных гаджетов или дополненной виртуальной реальности можно подготовить очень хорошие кадры.
By means of special gadgets or augmented and virtual reality, you can prepare very good shots. First, there is cash savings. Secondly, it is more confident that work and training are more promising for 70%. For example, you can simply read a book or see it in real life with your own eyes, since the student remembers 90% more with his eyes. What he feels, what he sees, and in practice, he realizes more.
Глазами 90% он что пощупает, что увидит, на практике больше реализуется.
Meirjan Serikbayev is one of those Kazakhstanis who actively introduces innovations into familiar processes of teaching students together with a team of developers. One of the projects is a virtual laboratory for chemistry created with the help of augmented reality technology. Thanks to a special application, a gadget, and a couple of simple pictures, the student will be able to not only learn all the elements of Mendeleev's periodic table, but also to clearly see what will happen if you mix certain chemicals, for example, sodium and chlorine. Among the training projects, there is also a program realistically displaying the solar system structure.
Мы разрабатывали для Назарбаев интеллектуальной школы мобильное приложение.
We have developed a mobile application for the Nazarbayev Intellectual School on IR and VR technologies for the second form. We made a 3D model of the planets for IR when hovering to output 3D models of the planets. After that, you could switch to VR and watch in real size and time in virtual glasses.
Размере и времени в виртуальных очках.
Moreover, new technologies even help to pick sides in profession for the students. In the Museum of Future Professions, which operates at the School Children's Palace in Astana, students are introduced to a variety of specialities through jumping into virtual and augmented reality. Here, children will clearly learn about the spheres of subsoil use, education, construction, aviation, telecommunications, and even about the peculiarities of their railway services work.
Когда ученик сюда заходит, он еще не понимает, может, или выбрал какую-то определенную профессию.
When a student comes here, he does not yet understand or choose a profession. But when he comes here, he sees how this is done, namely, you will not want until you see it. He sees how the house is built or how the railway is laid, how the oil and gas is extracted, and he is already thinking, can I choose it too? As if, anyway, our virtual museum still focuses the right direction and helps in choosing a profession.
Виртуальный музей наш, он направляет в нужное русло и помогает в выборе профессии.
Such an exciting career guidance is also interesting because a student can become a part of the work process. He can mine ore or build a railway. This is so fascinating to school children that young visitors who originally dreamed of becoming a doctor or cosmonaut seriously look to the activities of steelworkers and biophysicists.
Мне понравилось большинство вещей, которые тут показывают. Я хочу стать...
Most of all, I like the things that are shown here. I want to become a significant person who will do many things. I like metallurgy, chemistry, and coal mining.
Химия и добыча угля.
I think this will affect my future profession. Now I want to study biophysics. I saw a lot of professions here. In the beginning, I wanted to be a doctor, but when I came here and saw the design of the room, I wanted to become a famous designer. Virtual spaces have found their real use in real estate. Thanks to VR technologies, the functions of housing preview are available at the construction stage. In a virtual building, you can get acquainted with the interior and exterior, and if desired, you can make your own adjustments. For example, change the color, texture, and location of furniture or the proposed equipment. Such innovations are increasingly used instead of the usual demonstration apartments.
Строительным компаниям вместо того, чтобы строить дорогостоящие и объемные...
Instead of building expensive and voluminous pavilions, some kind of demonstration apartments, construction companies can simply draw these apartments, virtually purchase equipment, glasses, and manipulators. It is not expensive compared to the cost that you need at a demonstration pavilion. This is generally a huge savings, and over the years it will be paid very quickly and efficiently. Accordingly, you create a virtual reality, put this depicted apartment in it. You can change various elements of the interior in this apartment, which is difficult in the usual pavilion.
В обычном павильоне.
Application scenarios of virtual and augmented reality are possible in the public health field. Programs based on this technology are used to treat phobias by modeling the world with the environment, causing fear in a person. For example, height or enclosed space. It is done in order to help the patient deal with his fear. In addition, developers offer to get acquainted with the virtual medical equipment that maximally repeats the real device. According to programmers, this will help doctors better learn new devices for conducting serious operations.
Если говорить о, например, той же анатомии, да, это причем она может обучаться не только
If we talk about the same anatomy, it can be used not only for medical workers, students, it can be generally shown for educational purposes. That is, it is an opportunity to look at the structure of a person, some processes in it, namely in virtual reality format, when you can see a person directly in the section, how these processes proceeded in him. Such things are very demonstrative, and training will also be more effective in this format.
Обучение в таком формате будет тоже намного эффективнее.
Live events are another key area in the development of virtual reality technologies. With its help, users can experience the effect of personal presence on mass events, for example, conferences or sport competitions.
Ставится специальная камера на стадионе, да, и транслируется изображение на шлемы.
A special camera is placed in the stadium and the image is beamed on the helmets of virtual reality or in YouTube and so on. However, the negative side of this image is that you cannot get up and look from another angle. This is a fixed point and it has its limitations, its defects, but it allows you to beam experiences similar to what you are there.
Похоже на то, что вы там сидите, находитесь.
According to the forecast of sociologists, by 2020, people will spend most of their time in virtual reality. Moreover, it is not even about games. Opening any page on the internet, you can immerse yourself in a real three-dimensional world created by someone else.
Будущее технологии виртуальной реальности очень большое, перспективное.
The future of virtual reality technologies is very large and promising. In the future, it will make life easier for a person since it could be used absolutely in all spheres, both in tourism and in fashion, for educational and architectural institutions. You can even go in for sports at home with the help of virtual reality.
можно у себя дома с помощью виртуальной реальности.
According to calculations of IDC Research Analytical Company, it is expected that over 112 million devices for virtual reality immersion will be sold next year. Moreover, the market volume of automotive, medical, advertising, military, educational, and location-based virtual applications will reach $38 billion. That is 20 times more than in 2016.